Hi, I'm Ned Nelson from NYTC NoiseStop Systems and Best Build Acoustic Renovations. I'm here today back at Margaret Drive at the homeless shelter. Yep, today's Sunday. Most people will be out with their families or friends, having a good day, enjoy themselves. But I prefer to do something a little bit more rewarding, which is to help out where I can. So, I'm doing voluntary work over here, and it's not just me, it's NYTC, NoiseStop and Best Build, the whole group. We're supporting this local cause and getting involved with our local community. And so today I've decided that, there's not a better way to spend a Sunday morning than actually building the kitchen for them. And this is going to be the soup kitchen. Not only will it provide food for the residents here, it's also going to provide food for people in the local community, local area that are looking for something to eat. The food kitchen will be available not 24 hours, but all day until dinner time. So anyway, this is the hollow block, or AAC, aerated autoclave, and I basically put these pillars up here that you can see, and now I'm going to cast the top. So that will be with cement, 3-in-1, or it can be 4-in-1, aggregate and rebar. So most of the people will want to just buy bits of rebar and do it themselves. I think this is a bit of a waste of time because it doesn't need to be that structurally sound. So the easiest way that I find to do things is actually to use this stuff. It's a pre-made mesh. So you just need 2 layers of it and a spacer in between. So typically you need about 40 to 50 mm spacer, and then you put the mesh, then after that another spacer, and then the mesh, and there you go, that's your slab. Then of course you need to actually make the mould. So a little tip for you at home, here's the board. Once you've measured everything up to what you want to build, first things first is the whole procedure is you measure from here to here. So whatever that measurement is, you don't make it the same. You need to come in a bit, because when you put the tiles on, you're going to have a spiller. You're going to have a bit of additional space so that you can actually put the tile fix. So I've measured 57, so I've got this much more for the tiles and for the actual cement. And then you measure it out on here, which I've done. So one of the tips that I would suggest to people: don't ever bother to follow the line. There's no point doing that. Yes, you can do it, it's a waste of time. Use the wood, secure it in place, and then just use that as a guide rail. And you can see it works a lot better. And that way you'll always cut the wood straight. That's a simple tip for people doing this type of work. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you today. I'll put more videos online because last week, about 4 days ago, some guy told me that we subscribe to your channel. We actually follow the stuff that you're doing. I was quite surprised because I didn't really think that people actually find it interesting. But yeah, people actually find it interesting. We also did all this. Previously, it was the courtyard was ruined. All the concrete was all over the place, and basically we hacked it all and then redid it. We used 3-in-1 bonding agent, aggregate, and the reason we use the aggregate is to make it non-slip. So now that if there's any people that are doing exercise in the morning, any Tai Chi or dancing classes and stuff like that, it's now a safe environment for them. So there you go, and I have no idea how much we've spent. That was sponsored by me, yeah. So that's why I've got no money, because I spent it all. So yeah. Anyway, but there was 50 or 60 bags of 3-in-1, and then these giant bags of sand and a lot of this bonding agent and a lot of aggregate. But it's all in a good cause. here to support people, support the local community. Yeah, I'm glad that it'll be of use to people. Thanks again for watching. Have a great Sunday or whatever day you're watching this. Take it easy. See you soon.